In today's interconnected world, mastering English is key to unlocking a world of possibilities. The International English Language Testing System, or IELTS, is a crucial tool for millions aiming to achieve their academic, professional, and migration dreams in English-speaking countries. IELTS is recognized by over 11,000 organizations in more than 140 countries. Whether your goal is studying in Canada, working in the UK, or settling in Australia, your IELTS score is a widely trusted testament to your English proficiency, unlocking global opportunities. For students, IELTS is often a prerequisite for university admission in English-speaking countries. A high score can significantly increase your likelihood of acceptance into top institutions across the United States, Canada, Australia, and the UK. In the global job market, English proficiency is a must. Many multinational companies and government agencies require an IELTS score, especially for roles involving international communication. A strong score can distinguish you from other candidates and help secure your dream job abroad. Countries like Canada, the UK, and Australia use IELTS scores in immigration and visa applications. A higher score can improve your chances of gaining permanent residency, as it demonstrates your ability to integrate into an English-speaking environment. The IELTS exam evaluates listening, reading, writing, and speaking, providing a comprehensive assessment of your language skills. Preparing for IELTS not only prepares you for the exam, but also enhances your real-world English communication abilities. For professionals in healthcare, teaching, and engineering, the IELTS exam is often essential for obtaining licensure in English-speaking countries. It assures boards and councils of your capability to communicate effectively and safely in your profession. IELTS is designed for fairness and accessibility, offering academic and general training formats. Whether for higher education or migration, IELTS provides flexible testing options, including paper and computer formats, to fit your needs. Abundant preparation resources are available to help you succeed in IELTS. From official materials to training courses, familiarizing yourself with the test format and practicing sample questions build confidence and improve your performance. Studying for IELTS can boost your confidence and provide international exposure. It empowers you with effective communication skills and broadens your perspective through exposure to diverse topics and cultural insights. The IELTS exam is not just a test, it's a gateway to a world of opportunities. It opens doors to prestigious university courses, international career advancement, and potential residency in new countries. If you're ready to expand your horizons, investing in IELTS preparation is a step toward a promising future. Our IELTS and IT Skills Center offers the resources and support needed to embark on your IELTS journey confidently. Take the next step with us today. Enroll at our center and start your path towards achieving your academic, professional, or migration goals with the help of our expert guidance and comprehensive resources.